Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to restore backup and transfer data on Infinix Note 60. First I'll show you how to transfer data from a previous device to your Infinix, then restore backup from your Google account. During setup, select your language and country, agree to terms, then choose the option to set up using another device. On your Infinix, select the device type of your previous phone. I have Android, so scan the QR code with Google Lens. If the code disappears, you can open Google Lens from the search bar and scan it there. Both devices will connect, and your Infinix will automatically join the same Wi-Fi network. Coop SIM card insertion and confirm your password when prompted. Verify by typing your Google account password, then choose your unlock method or skip it. Copy apps and data, select what you want to copy from the list. Wait for the copy to finish, then choose what to transfer. Google Calendar, Contacts, Photos, and Gmail are synced automatically. You can unselect apps if you don't want to copy them. The estimated time depends on what you're copying. Accept the terms, then turn on backup services if desired. Select Google Chrome as default browser and Google as search engine. You can skip nearby sharing and Google Assistant voice activation features. When copying is finished, click Close and Done. Enable features if you want, agree, and log into Infinix ID later if preferred. Since you've already copied data, skip Mobile Cloner and choose your navigation method. Your device is ready to use, but don't disconnect from Wi-Fi yet, as some things may still be syncing in the background. For restoring backup from Google One, start the setup process and click Skip on the Other Device option. Manually connect to Wi-Fi, then sign into the same Google account where you made the backup. Enter your email and password, agree to terms, and skip the unlock method. Select the backup you want to restore. Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive sync automatically. Unselect apps if you don't want to restore them, then click Restore. Accept terms, turn on backup services if you want, set Chrome and Google as defaults, and skip unnecessary features. Skip Infinix ID and Mobile Cloner, then choose your navigation method. Your device is ready, but keep Wi-Fi on until everything finishes syncing in the background. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.